Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to channel for exploring innovative ways to generate income in the digital age. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing online earning opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the best AI tools that can help you make money online. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or someone looking to start a side hustle, these tools can streamline your workflow, enhance productivity, and open new avenues for income. Understanding AI and its impact on online earning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn. In the context of online earning, AI tools can automate tasks, analyze data, and generate content, thereby saving time and increasing efficiency. By leveraging AI, individuals can automate repetitive tasks, generate high-quality content, analyze market trends, enhance customer engagement. Top AI tools to make money online. 1. Jasper AI, AI-powered copywriting tool. Overview. Jasper AI is a leading AI-driven copywriting tool designed for businesses and marketers. It helps automate high-quality content creation from ad copies to product descriptions, allowing users to scale content marketing efforts efficiently. How to use Jasper AI for income. Affiliate and dropshipping websites generate persuasive product descriptions and reviews. Email marketing automation. Craft engaging email sequences that convert. Social media monetization. Automate social media posts for engagement and growth. Freelance AI copywriting services. Offer AI-assisted content writing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Monetization strategies. Sell AI-generated content as a service. Monetize automated email campaigns for affiliate sales. Use AI-generated product descriptions to drive e-commerce sales. 2. Midjourney, AI-generated art and design. Overview. Midjourney is an AI-powered tool that creates stunning digital artwork and graphics, making it a game-changer for designers, NFT creators, and print-on-demand entrepreneurs. How to use Midjourney for income. Sell AI-generated art. List unique AI-generated artwork on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. NFT marketplaces. Create and sell AI-generated NFTs. Print-on-demand business. Use AI-generated designs for t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Subscription-based graphics. Offer premium AI-generated content on platforms like Patreon. Monetization strategies. Sell artwork on print-on-demand platforms. Monetize AI-generated NFT collections. Charge for access to AI-generated designs. 3. Synthesia, AI video creation for content creators. Overview. Synthesia is an AI video generation tool that allows users to create professional quality videos with AI-generated avatars and voiceovers. This is perfect for YouTubers, educators, and businesses looking to scale video content without recording or hiring actors. How to use Synthesia for income. YouTube automation. Create faceless YouTube channels and monetize with ads and sponsorships. Online course creation. Develop AI-powered educational videos and sell them. Video ad creation. Offer AI-generated ad videos for brands and businesses. Automated video blogs. Vlogs generate AI-driven video blogs to grow a following. Monetization strategies. Earn ad revenue from AI-generated YouTube content. Sell AI-generated courses on platforms like Udemy. Charge businesses for AI-powered ad creation. 4. Pictory AI, AI video editing and summarization. Overview. Pictory AI is a powerful tool that transforms text content into engaging video summaries, making it an excellent resource for repurposing content into visual formats. How to use Pictory AI for income. YouTube automation. Start a faceless YouTube channel and generate videos automatically. Video editing services. Offer AI-enhanced video editing services. Affiliate marketing. Create engaging product review videos and earn commissions. Monetization strategies. Monetize YouTube channels with ad revenue. Offer video editing services to clients. Promote affiliate products through video content. 5. Canva AI, AI-powered graphic design. Overview. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design tool that incorporates AI to simplify the design process. It's perfect for creating visuals for social media, websites, and marketing materials. How to use Canva AI for income. Freelance design. Offer graphic design services on platforms like Fiverr or on 99 Designs. Print on demand. Design merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags using Canva and sell them through print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring. Digital products. Create and sell digital products like templates, planners, and ebook covers on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. Social media marketing. Help small businesses manage their social media by designing eye-catching posts and stories using Canva. Tips for success. Invest time in learning Canva's advanced features, such as animations and brand kits, to offer more value to clients. Stay updated on design trends to create visuals that resonate with your target audience. Maximizing your earnings with AI tools. To effectively leverage these AI tools, identify your niche. Focus on areas where you have expertise or interest. Build a portfolio. Showcase your work to attract clients or customers. Stay updated. Continuously learn about new features and best practices. Network. Connect with other professionals to exchange ideas and opportunities. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape of online earning. By integrating AI tools into your workflow, you can enhance productivity, offer new services, and tap into emerging markets. Thank you for watching this comprehensive guide on the best AI tools to make money online. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to InvestoSphere, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Question for you. Which AI tool are you most excited to try, and how do you plan to use it to generate income? Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to help you thrive in the digital economy.